Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a fun look inspired by Canadian money. So if you guys don't know, Canadian money has a few different colors. So I found these actually at the dollar store. They're super sized printouts, fun money of Canadian money. So starting at the front, our $5 bills are blue, our $10 bills are purple, 20s are green, 50s are red, and our $100 bills are like a beige brown type color. Now these printouts aren't exactly how the actual bills are, but pretty close. So I picked up a bunch of these and to make a cute little look. So first thing we need to do is get our canvas ready. Okay, so this is pretty much as good as it's going to get today. So now we're going to go into the colors. Now, I was looking through my palettes and pretty much this Morphe palette has all of the colors that I want to use. So this is the Color Burst 35B Artistry palette, and pretty much I'm going to be using this for most of it. Whoop, brand new, of course. So the first color that I'm going to go in with is this blue right here, and that's going to represent our $5 bills, and that's where I'm going to start on the lid. Alright, next I'm going to go in with this green right here, and we're going to blend out the top a bit just to kind of smooth it out. Okay, so now we have blue for 5s and green for 20s. Next we're going to go into this red right here, and this is going to be for our 50s. Next, I'm going to use this black right here just to darken up the outer corner. Now for the 100th, instead of adding brown to the eye color, I'm actually going to use the bronze as a contour. But I am going to use the bronze metallic from the palette. Alright, now that added a little too much depth than I was going for, and I look a little dead, but that's okay. We're just doing it for fun. We're just playing around. I'm just going to add some highlight. Hopefully that lightens up that little dead look. And I'm going to use this big brush just because of the pure ridiculousness of it. A little better, kind of. We're gonna stick with it. So to hopefully lighten up this look a little bit, I'm gonna go with a pink-ish lipstick. I was originally gonna go with a bronze, but I think we've got enough bronze going on. So now I'm just going to pop on some lashes and a little bit of eyeliner underneath, and I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so I am loving the overtop ridiculousness of these lashes. But next I'm going to put on my headband. So I actually used some of that play money, made some paper fans and some paper flowers to make a headband to go with this look. So I'm going to plop that on. And I also have some extra paper flowers to apply to my face just to bring this whole look together. And I'm just going to use standard lash glue to apply it. One, it's cheap, it's easy, and I already have it. Alright, so this is the full look with the giant headband, a lot bigger than I planned on it being, but anyway, this is the look.